Good afternoon, everyone. Well, welcome back to the hangar. Wait a minute here. Okay, there we go. Welcome back. As I say, we've been working on polishing the airplane. Let's get you up to speed. All right, so in my last video, we talked about how I just finished up the wings. I was getting ready to start rebuilding the wing struts and jury struts. So let me show you that. All right, so the wing struts are all done, ready to go. The last thing I'm gonna do before I install the wings is I'd like to completely polish the fuselage and then also paint the stripe. It's gonna be a lot easier to do all of that work without the wings in the way. With the polishing process that I used here, I've kind of done like what I would call a 4-step polishing process. I'm gonna go through that with you right now. All right, so in this video, I want to primarily focus on steps 1 and 2 of the polishing process, which is using the Maverick ROUGE system. Steps 3 and 4, I'll talk through those on the next video. I used the New Shine New Vite polishing compound process for that. And so once again, next video, I'll show that. But for now, I'd like to show you the ROUGE polishing process that I used on this airplane. I will say, my airplane, it came from the factory, not polished, it was just bare aluminum. And so since 1946, I don't believe this airplane has ever been polished before. So it started with a lot of oxidation on the exterior surface. So there's been some pitting here and there, but really not that bad. But it's taken a lot of work to get this fuselage to shine up. So let's go through the ROUGE polishing process. All right, so that's the polishing process that I've gone through so far. I will say that I still need to finish polishing up the bottom side of the fuselage. That has been pretty painful. It's working overhead a lot like this. It's just killing my shoulders, so it's taken a little longer than I had hoped. All right, so I'm gonna finish up that ROUGE on the belly of the aircraft, and then it'll be on to steps 3 and 4, which I'll show you in the next video. So for now, definitely appreciate you guys hanging out and watching the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, you can subscribe to us. Just search for HIEBERT Aviation, all one word, both on Facebook and YouTube. And there we are. So once again, thanks for hanging out. See you next time. Bye.